Pros and cons of porcelain sinks for your house. Dear friends, porcelain sinks are a popular choice for kitchens and bathrooms because of their clean look and timeless appeal. They are made from ceramic material coated with a smooth, glass-like glaze that enhances both beauty and usability. One of the biggest advantages of a porcelain sink is its elegant appearance. The glossy finish gives a bright, hygienic look that easily complements both modern and traditional interiors. White porcelain sinks, in particular, make spaces feel larger and cleaner. Porcelain sinks are also easy to clean. Their smooth surface does not absorb water easily, so routine cleaning with mild soap and water keeps them looking fresh. They are resistant to heat, making them suitable for hot water use in kitchens and bathrooms. Another benefit is their resistance to fading. Porcelain maintains its color for years, even with regular exposure to sunlight and cleaning products. This makes it a long-lasting visual choice for homes. However, porcelain sinks do have some drawbacks. They can chip or crack if heavy objects like pans or bottles are dropped into them. Once damaged, repairs are often noticeable and difficult to hide. Porcelain sinks can also stain over time, especially if exposed to hard water, strong dyes, or harsh chemicals. Regular maintenance is required to preserve their shine. In conclusion, porcelain sinks offer classic beauty, easy cleaning, and heat resistance. But they require careful use and maintenance to avoid chipping and staining. Choosing one depends on your lifestyle and how much care you're willing to provide. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.